take a product that was made conventionally that would hold, for example, 6 parts in a rack or a basket and go down a production line. And everybody was happy about that at a big factory. Here's what makes Marlin different. Our engineers are so good, they'll come up with a way to hold 8 parts in that basket or 12 parts in that basket so that there's very high utilization. It increases the yield. It reduces the number of shifts the expensive washing machines got to run. It reduces, finding people, which is hard to do now, to run that 3rd shift, to run the weekend shift, because you could run that washing machine and that production line less shifts a week. Quality engineered quick. That's our mantra. Marlin has an extraordinary team. Dedicated, hardworking, earnest, really focused on quality.
We have a lot of smart people here. We don't like to back down from a lot of projects. We do challenge our team to think outside of the box.
Our automation helps us with a consistent product each time. You push start, it's going to do the consistent same product each time.
We're a manufacturing company with a manufacturing business model that has an engineering unit within the company. So if we are doing design work for you, or if we're solving a problem that you may have, we're able to design in-house and manufacture in-house, which means that our engineering team has direct access to the tools and personnel who are going to be physically producing the product.
Our team is focused on our own safety, but that approach resonates so that we make sure that all the baskets and racks we ship are focused on safe design.
We do sharpness tests. A lot of our products is sheet metal. So when you're laser cutting a piece of stainless, it creates a sharp edge, and making sure that we have the right equipment to deburr that product, and having processes to test the sharpness of that product.
We have several patents on our products because we're pushing the edge on innovation.
The big thing we do here is our ISO standards. Each step of the production process is a check, 2 dimensions to the print, and then as we go through a production run, we're doing in process, constantly checking, make sure everything is up to standard before it goes in the box and out the door.
Marlin Steel makes everything in the USA. We buy American steel. There are no boats between our steel suppliers and our factory in Baltimore City. We do that as a strategy so that we never have supply interruptions for our clients. Our clients are bulletproof when it comes to us hitting our ship dates and us shipping high quality parts on time.